Peace, greetings. Yah-I's Better Flavor YouTube channel. I'm going to offer the final installment of the dynamic relationship between eating and sexual energy. And this part could very easily be R-rated or even X-rated. I'm going to keep it PG and save the more intense ratings for when we speak face to face in a group dynamic. Part of what makes this so intense, this final phase of assessing the eating and sexual energy piece, is having you reflect upon what you are thinking, having you reflect upon what energy you are working with while you're consuming this food. Are you thinking at all about this food? Or are you just simply happy that you're eating and sticking it in? No pun intended. Actually, pun intended, because on the sexual energy side of things, speaking as a male, I can bear witness to the idea of engaging in sexual activity, sexual energy exchanging, and just going through the motions, not sending any energy to the partner of the exchange, not looking to tap into the energy that the partner is sending to me. It really is just an act. It is just something that we enjoy doing. Eating is something that we enjoy doing. We are not putting the energy or thoughts into what the benefit is of doing it. And I talk about this in my book where I do go R-rated. Is your self-worth pseudo or sincere? I talk about how for men in a certain mental space, having intercourse is essentially mundane, and the good feeling is physically the good feeling, unless of course mentally we're not really interested, and so then we're just doing it to appease this person. And then it's funny because you think about how many times this person, if I'm speaking from a man and I'm assigning this person as a woman, she's just potentially going through the motions as well, because it's just an act. It's not an intentional energy exchange. So I've addressed this before, but let me bring this point home. We have an opportunity to maximize our health and well-being by making eating a practical, functional, intentional, purposeful energy exchange. And we are not seizing that opportunity, and certainly from a sexual energy standpoint. At the very least, we are loose with our energy. We are not intentional with our energy. And we have an opportunity to be intentional and to capture the magic of that exchange at the point where there is magic available to capture. So I speak from my experiences, I speak from what I observe, I speak from the folks who reason with me. You know what your experience is. You know what your mindset is. Or do you? Are you thinking about I mean, there's so many things you can think about other than I want my partner to feel the sincerity, feel the love, feel the peace, feel the joy of me being with this partner at this moment, at this time. And it's not related to I want to stick her head through the wall and show her how strong I am and forceful I can be. It's not that. So we're going to shift in future correlations, not between the dynamic relationship between sex and eating, but the dynamic relationship between sex and relationships. So that is where we will take this, to take it, expand the sexual energy piece out. We're going to zoom out and put more focus into the overall big picture of the relationship, which the sexual energy is just a part of, not the crux of or the culmination of. I'll look forward to building with you further. Check out the channel, the other videos. Watch them in order. It's helpful to watch them in order. And we're going to keep the reasoning flowing. Appreciate you. Give thanks. Peace. Yah-I is better flavor.